This slide is called goal design. The key thing we're focusing on here is something very, very specific and concrete in the way that we communicate goals that are innovative in nature. One of the largest problems that occurs in general innovation management programs is the fact that the goals themselves are cast under the word of innovation. So for example, companies will say, our goal is to be more innovative. Although this sounds good, in practice this is difficult to implement because you have to ask the question, how do you measure more innovative? Which is in a sense one of the key questions we're addressing in this whole program. What we've discovered is that providing very, very specific parameters for the grammar of goal design is critical to the success of long-term innovation programs. And when we say grammar of goal design, we mean something very, very specific. We mean using a very set formula to describe the change that we want to experience through that innovation. So for example, let's say that I want to develop a more innovative and more economical and more efficient way to travel between, let's say, New York and Chicago, or between London and Paris, or Beirut and Amman and Jordan. I can cast this under this idea of goal grammar as a very specific prepositional phrase. For example, we are looking for a method to transport one person from New York to Chicago in under 4 hours at a cost no greater than 10 cents per passenger mile. Notice the significant amount of prepositional phrases that follow a very interesting word, and that word is method. We're keeping open the way that we try to do something, so we're not specifying the pathway. What we're doing, however, is specifying the exact performance parameters we want to achieve through the usage of consistent prepositional phrases.
2 minutes and a half.